Good day, Tea with Travis. Today is Friday, September 12th, and the market is kind of responding interesting this morning. Mortgage securities are down, but I think it's basically just an adjustment of all the gains we've seen. Because some inflationary reports came out today showing that it has really tapered off. The wholesale prices are down in August for the first time in 2008. Every other month this year, wholesale prices have been on the rise because of oil and energy prices. Since we've seen a tapering off of oil prices dropping almost to $100 a barrel yesterday, and it's obviously been receding since mid-July. That's already started to impact economic reports here in early September. So it's an immediate impact and takes away some of the inflationary pressures. There's also a surprise decline in the PPI. It's the producer price index, and it's again because of manufacturing and those things, and it's the lowest it's been in 2 years. So with those inflationary pressures, typically that causes bonds to go up, or the pricing of bonds to go up, and causing rates to come down. But I think we've just seen such a huge expansion in value on mortgage-backed securities that we're having this little edge back. We've seen edge back several times this week since Monday when the big drop happened in rate prices. The rest of the week we've had these big adjustments in midday, basis points, which is almost a 0.5% in fee, and then at the end of the day it is this rally. So that's kind of an indication this morning that we're down this morning. We're down at 22 basis points, which is a quarter in fee, or on a $100,000 loan, $250. Not a big significant impact, but they think it'll bounce again, and maybe before close even today we'll be in the black. So that's good. Also, Michigan's the consumer sentiment index, and basically University of Michigan does this poll and asks the average citizen, how do you feel confident about the economy right now? And between probably either the debates of the presidential election coming up and different things going on, and prices dropping, the dollar strengthening against the euro and other global markets, I think confidence is coming back to the consumer. So it came in at 73% versus 64%, which you had thought a big 9-point jump. So it's pretty good news when confidence is jumping that much. Other than that, we're anticipating the Hurricane Ike and hit Texas there, so that's going to be, again, could affect oil prices. It's going to affect short-term oil prices at the gas pump, but not so much oil production prices, meaning the dollars per barrel of oil may not even be affected right now. It's just it will affect locally here because it's the refineries, not oil being produced in Saudi Arabia or whatever. It's actually the refining plants there in the Gulf in Texas. So kind of the rundown for today. Not much else. Stocks aren't performing much today as well. They're, I think, still reeling from the Lehman Brothers. Bank of America was talking about even purchasing Lehman Brothers yesterday. So Bank of America not only would have bought Countrywide, now they're talking about buying Lehman Brothers. So Bank of America would be the largest bank in the world if that's the case. I don't know how they can fund it, but they're in negotiations, so that's interesting times. Other than that, have an awesome Friday, a great weekend, and we look forward to serving you. And be blessed.